Welcome to our first video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install and configure ninjamonitor for the first time. We'll start with the very basic setup, and in later videos we'll be going more in depth with the options. We're going to start by downloading and running the installation program. That's done. Now we're going to go back to NinjaTrader. And we're going to import the ninjamonitor module. We automatically copied the zip file into your NinjaTrader folder so you can find it easily. If for some reason you don't see it in your folder, you can always download it from our website. Once that's done, we can edit our strategies. We have 3 lines to add. You can find these lines detailed in our documentation on our website. And that's it. So now we can compile our strategy. Close the window. If we open up a graph, we can insert the strategy. It's a 1-minute bar. There you go. If we open back ninjamonitor, we can click Start. And we'll see the data update once the next bar is finished. That's it. That's it for this video. In the next one, I'll show you some configuration options and advanced features.